it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is another Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. This go round, I requested some extras, so I have a really cute pajama set, like a button-up top and some shorts that match. But also in this box, there were a couple of pieces in here from a brand that I wasn't familiar with, and Blake Lindsay, my stylist, actually on my note said that these pieces are in collaboration with an influencer named Katie Sturino. I hope I'm saying that correctly. This is the first time that I've ever heard of Katie Sturino, so of course the first thing I did was go to Instagram and stalk her a little bit. So a couple of pieces from her I think is really cool in a Stitch Fix box. So we're gonna just start with her stuff because I think it is really cute. All right, so the first thing is this red and white polka dot wide leg cropped jumpsuit. It's in a size 2X. It's called the Katarina cropped jumpsuit. It does have this little bit of elastic in the back, which I like. The straps are adjustable. However, the back, it's a little bit low. Like I kind of had to tuck my bra in. I do like the tie on the front. I just don't know how you're supposed to wear it. Do you tie it in the front? Do you tie it on the side? I guess you do it however you want to do it. Okay, so I feel like I'm a little bit tall for this. If you look closely, like the crotch area is a little bit snug, like it's kind of pulling a little bit. Had it not done that, this would have been home run out the ballpark because it is adorable. This would have been perfect for the summertime with some little sandals. I'm willing to overlook that it's a little bit snug in the crotch area as long as it looks okay. So let me know what y'all think about this. I will say, before I tell you the price of this, the Katie Sturino, yes, Sturino stuff is pricey. So keep that in mind. All right, so again, this is called the Katarina cropped jumpsuit red, size 2X. It is $98. So the next thing I got from the Katie Sturino line is this yellow wrap dress. So the first thing, this color is gorgeous. It's such a beautiful, like bright, summery yellow color. This one is in a size 2X, and it does like one of the straps tucks into a little hole on the inside, wrap it around. This one, the same deal. Do you tie it on the side? I just felt like I had a lot of extra string, but the dress wasn't too big. You know what I'm saying? This one, I think, was a little bit low cut for me. I don't mind something low cut, but you could clearly see my bra. Like, I don't own a bra that's less revealing, you know, so it's at that point I'm like, well, what bra do I wear with it? I love the little flutter sleeves on it. I think this is such a fun and pretty dress. This one is called the Alexa Wrap Swing, yellow, size 2X, and this one is $78. And in the note from my stylist, Blake Lindsay, she suggested I pair the yellow dress with these sandals. She called them leopard print, but I think maybe she was confused. They're more like a snake skin type print. They're the brand Dolce Vita. Yeah, Dolce Vita. What's different about these, I noticed as I was putting them on, is that the hook, like this little clasp part, hooks forward instead of backwards. Like typically the strap comes from this way, you tuck it in and it kind of swings around. This one hooks in the front, which is a little bit different. These are cute. I like the size of the wedge on these. I think these are a good height for me. I would actually prefer them a little bit higher. I think if I'm gonna wear wedges, a little bit higher is a little more flattering on me. I will say too, these are super light. Like I feel like these would be really comfortable, like they're not heavy. So these are called the Lala Peep Toe Wedge Gray. They're a size 9.5 and they're $85. This next top is from a brand that I'm very familiar with. It's Cupido in a size 2X. It's this blue, light blue, and like a sage green and white striped V-neck. It fits really well. It feels really nice. It's lightweight. I don't know if the pattern is me. I don't know. I feel like I could probably wear this with like a pair of denim shorts, I guess. I don't know. Is it me? Let me know. Like I said, the fit is great. I just don't know if the stripes, like the pattern, is the best thing for me. This is called the Cupido Blush Brody V-neck knit top, navy, size 2X. It's $34. So this is the least expensive thing in the entire box. Okay, before I pull this one up, you've probably seen a little bit of preview from when I was wearing that striped V-neck shirt. Talk about a wild card. Okay, here we go. It is this like long pencil skirt style denim skirt with like little flowers on it. This is totally not me. I mean, I appreciate different things in my box. The fit is actually really great. It gives me a really great shape, I feel like, but I kind of don't have anything to say about it. You know, like it's just not me. So it's called the Ombre Embroidered Denim Midi Skirt, light blue, size 20, $87.95. Now let's talk about the extras. These pajamas are probably my favorite thing in the entire box. So they are gray with white polka dots, yes, and a little bit of pink striping around the edges. I love the style of this shirt. I think it is so cute. It's from the brand Seeing Stars. They're in a size 2X. I kept a pair of pajamas from this brand probably last year late because it's pants and a long sleeve button-up shirt, and I absolutely love it. It's so soft and so comfortable. So we've got the button-up shirt paired with these super cute shorts with the pink little tie on them. This size is perfect right now. I will say the other, the long ones that I own did shrink a little bit, but not enough to size down. You know what I'm saying? Plus they're pajamas. Like, no one sees you in them but whoever lives at your house, you know? So I really, really do like these. They're comfortable, they're soft, and I think they're very practical for my life. So this pajama set is $42. So the total for everything in my box is $329.21. Now, I don't pay the $20 styling fee every time I get a box because a while ago I signed up for the Style Pass. It's $49 for the whole year, and you can get boxes every 2 weeks if you choose. So that's what I did. So the total is $329.21. Obviously, there are no deductions. However, I did get a gift card from one of my very best friends for my birthday. So I have a free $50 to drop on whatever I would like to spend at Stitch Fix. So my question is, I like the pajamas, and I think they're cute. I like to take like matching pajamas and stuff on trips and vacations, or like little overnight things. Brian and I try to do like once a month. Maybe we'll go stay at a hotel in the town over, like stuff like that. I just like to take cute little matching pajamas, but I also really like the way that that yellow wrap dress looks. Is it ridiculous to pay that much money for it though? Because I'll probably only wear it on vacation because it's so low cut. So let me know what you think. So that's a wrap on this video. As always, I will leave a direct link to sign up for Stitch Fix in the description box down below. Log on, check it out, let me know what you think. Thank y'all for watching this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.